Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions, your premium tech channel. In today's video, we are going to see how we can download, install, and run Intel Processor Diagnostic Tool on Windows 11. The Intel Processor Diagnostic Tool is to verify the functionality of an Intel microprocessor. The diagnostic tool checks for brand identification, verifies the processor operating frequency, tests specific processor features, and performs a stress test on the processor. Let's see how to download it. Open your internet browser and head on to the shown link. You can download the Intel Processor Identification Tool from here. The download may finish quickly as it's a small tool. Once it gets downloaded, install it following the on-screen instructions. It's done. Let's execute the tool and run the benchmarks. This can take a couple of minutes for full identification and benchmarks. This tool checks for brand identification, verifies the processor operating frequency, tests specific processor features, and performs a stress test on the processor. The test is complete. You must be seeing the pass status on your screens. This tool has successfully detected the system. Processor and its benchmark is also showing. If you have a question, you can ask in comments. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe Tech Solutions.